VPN still connected to the UK, if you know your VPN is not yet connected, please go and connect it to the UK. Navigate to your Play Store account and download this browser. Let's go to Play Store and then search for this particular browser. FYI, do not create your PayPal account using the Chrome browser. Please, I'm going to say it again, emphasis on do not use Chrome browser. Okay, so I was supposed to search for Brave. You're going to be downloading the Brave browser. I particularly like this browser when it comes to creating PayPal accounts, and this is what I use to create all the PayPal accounts that I do create. So install the Brave browser. Okay, so now that we have our Brave browser installed, let's quickly go to this website. The website is called whatismyipaddress.com. I hope you guys are still taking notes. That's the reason for the book and pen you got before this video started fully. So take down the name of this or the URL of this website. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. So now what are we going to do on this website? We are going to first confirm if we are in the UK, that is our device is in the right location, which is the UK. Okay, and to do that, you're going to click on this IP address you can see here, the numbers or the figures you can see there. Okay, so now check where you have country to confirm if you are in the right country location. And as you can see in the place titled country, we have the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, meaning we are in the right location. This is very important for you to do and check immediately after you connect your VPN, so you don't make a mistake of logging into your PayPal using another location. So that's that for the first reason we are on this website. The second reason is to get our city, which is what we are going to use to get two other important details that we need. I hope you are still taking notes. So now, looking at the chart here, our city is York, as you can see here. Now we're going to go to another browser, and on this browser we're going to search for York postcode prefix. Very good. So now our search says York postcode prefix is YO. The reason why we need to get this, or the reason why we need this, I'm going to tell you why. So now that you've gotten the prefix for York, navigate to this website. I hope you're still taking notes. The website is called Dougal postcode generator. You can just search it. Okay, and then you'll be brought to this page. Now this is where we're going to get two things: our postcode and our UK address. Remember, you are creating a UK PayPal, rather you're not creating a Nigerian or your local PayPal account, meaning you're going to use details that are UK related. You're going to get a UK postcode for the area and then UK address. Okay, so everything is UK. Now here you're going to generate a postcode, and you remember the prefix you got before for York, all right, is YO. Just in case you are saying another city, you're going to have a different prefix. Note that mine is saying York, yours could be saying something else. It could be London, and then you need to get London's prefix. Do you get me? So now you come here where it says, you see this empty space or bar here, click on it and then scroll and search for the prefix that we've gotten or you've gotten. Mine is YO, yours could be something else, so it sits down here. Now that I've chosen the prefix, I'm going to click create a random postcode. If you don't like this one that it has given to you, you can recreate by clicking create a random postcode. All right, so guys, we have our postcode here, so you copy it and write it down in your notes. Now let's create our matching address. Since you've created your postcode, the next thing for you to do is to create a matching address. Okay, and you need to create a postcode first before you can create a matching address. Now click create a matching address. So guys, as you can see, we have both our postcode and our matching UK address. So we're going to copy that very quickly and write it down on your notes, or if you're going to be using your notes on your phone, just copy and paste. So sorry about the loud drum noise in my background all through the process. I decided to take a pause because I realized the sounds were like interfering with my video. So let's continue, shall we? I have all my details written down here and I am ready to start. So we are going to go back to Brave browser now. At this point, you have to confirm if your VPN is still connected to UK before you do anything, just in case, all right? Just to be very careful and sure. Now into the bar, search PayPal, paypal.com. Just even search PayPal, is going to redirect you to the website itself. Okay. Look at the first option we are given here. Are you seeing that the web or the URL includes UK? If it does not include UK, just know that your VPN is not functioning well. Okay, it's not doing justice to what it's meant to do. All right, so that's the first thing you're going to see here, the PayPal website, and you just click on the website link so it can redirect you to the main web page, and we can begin with our creating. You see, all the things we did right from the beginning of this video was to make things easier for ourselves. Okay, and I decided to put it at the beginning so you guys know all these things, you note all of them, and then you get them ready before you even start. So you'll be nothing like you minimizing out of your browser, to go and start searching for all those details to put together. All right, now we are all set. It says explore what PayPal offers in your location. You can switch to United Kingdom site. You can switch to United Kingdom site anyhow, as long as your VPN is working. You're good to go. So now, are you going to be creating a personal or business PayPal account? I remember when I did a video about creating a PayPal account, I said you should use business. This time we're going to be creating a personal PayPal account. Okay, that's what we're going to. That's a new method. So personal, you just click on sign up. All right, so it says sign up for PayPal. Which option do you want to choose? Remember, I said personal, not business. If it's like this, please make sure you click on personal, okay, and click on get started. All right, now it says sign up for PayPal, and you're required to put in or fill in your email address. I believe by now you must have created your UK email address, so that UK email address is what you're going to paste here. I already have mine in my what was it called, in my notes, but I think, yeah, if I type it in, it's going to reflect. So this is my email address I'm going to be using for this PayPal account. It's a new email address I created with the word UK location. So now I'm going to click on next, and here they are requesting for my UK phone number. I believe by now you already have this. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my notes to get my UK phone number. I already copied it down here to make things easier for myself. Okay, copy. You can copy without the +44, which is the country code, since we already have 44 here. Can you see? We already have 44, so remove the 44 and then click on next. Okay, so now they've sent an SMS code to my phone number. Remember, if you're using just anyhow or ordinary number, you might not get an SMS code. So ensure you are using a phone number that you can get access to the SMS code being sent to it. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my app where I have my number and then copy the code given to me to paste here. All right, so I've gotten the 6-digit code, and it goes 04432. Let me confirm that 232, not so I don't make a mistake. Okay, so now we are going to create our password, and look below, it says use 8 to 20 characters, use 2 of the following letters, numbers or symbols. So if you're creating your password, ensure it's between 8 to 20 characters altogether, and you're free to use any of the symbols that you see in the option here. So let me quickly create my password. Okay, so I've just created my password. This password you've created right now, do not reveal this password to anyone. Okay, it's exclusive, it's just for your eyes alone. So click on next. So we are moving forward. Personal details, make sure this matches your official ID. Now this is one important thing you need to know. It says make sure this matches your official ID, and you are not a citizen of the United Kingdom. Okay, are you not going to put a different name? The answer is no. You're going to put your real name here, the real name that you have on your own national ID. If you're a Nigerian, for example, your national ID carries 3 different names. The names that you have on your national ID, you should put it here, regardless of if there is no space for a third name or a middle name. Put the 3 names together here, so you're using your real name. Okay, You will need this when it's time for you to link your bank account. That's the bank account you'll be linking to PayPal. So make sure you're using your real name here. Except you don't plan to link any bank account to this PayPal account, then you can, you know, go for any choice of names. Okay, but if this is going to be linked to a bank account, ensure you're using your real name, your full name, just as it is on your official national ID. So now I'm going to put uh the name here. Assume you have three names. In your where you have first name, just put the three your what's it called, your two names, and then put your last name, which is your son name here. Are you with me? So this is how you're going to do it. All right. So, but this is not the name I'm going to be using for this PayPal account, since I already have a PayPal account in this name I just typed in here. So let me put my name. All right. Now your date of birth. Your real date of birth is what you're going to put here. Okay. So just put your real date of birth here so you don't forget it. Ensure you're above 18, because if you're not above 18, you cannot create a PayPal account. All right. All right. So now we are done filling in our personal details. We're going to click on next. Okay, now it says your address. Make sure it's your primary residential address. It can't be a PO box. So remember the postcode you got before, and then the address you got. Who are these noisemakers? Alright, so the postcode that you generated before, you copy and paste it here. Alright, you see they're giving you options already because they can detect the location from your postcode. So you can decide to add manually, or just choose if your address is shown in the options given to you here. But my address is not shown here. I'm just going to add it manually. Alright, I go back to my notes and then copy the address that I got. 7 South Home Melabi South Home Walk. Oh, I know if you pronounce the name. Let's copy the address and come and paste it here manually. Okay, add manually. Okay, it says address line 1. I think you should just put this in the address line 1 instead of putting it in address line 2, since address line 2 is optional. So maybe if you have two addresses, you can just put it there. All right, so I only have one. Now the city, the town or city. Remember the town or city you got. I remember mine vividly. Mine is York. Now what about the county? You can just ask ChatGPT for this one. If you don't know your county for the city or the location that you choose, ask ChatGPT what's the county. Use the city again. What's the county for York? Or you can use the address. What's the county for Seventh, blah blah blah, whatever address you generated. Okay, that's how you're going to generate your county. But if you're the type of person that you saw your address in the options given to you when you pasted your postcode here, you can just click it. When you click on the address given to you in the option, as long as it's the address that you got, your county will automatically appear here. All right, so this is because we are adding manually, so we have to add everything manually. So let me go get my county. So I just came from ChatGPT and it says my county is Yorkshire. That's not Yorkshire, England. So let's go to all the way to letter Y. Okay, not Yorkshire. So this is it here. So not letter Y. This is my county. All right. So agree to PayPal's user agreement and privacy statement. For more information, see your right of withdrawal. So you're just going to tick those two boxes and confirm your details. And when you're sure that everything has been inputted correctly, just click on agree and create account. Okay. Okay. What do you want to try first? Shop or send money? I'm just gonna go for not now. And okay, now they're asking us to add a card. Well, this is not necessary. If you don't have a card, you can actually get a bank to link to your PayPal account. Okay, and this can be gotten from Grey.co. Okay, you can get a virtual card there to link, and also a virtual bank account to link to your PayPal account. What if I told you that we are done with the PayPal account creation process? I know it may sound, or it may have seemed um complex all the while, but that's just basically it. So if you're not ready to do this now, if you're not ready to link your card or link your bank account, just click on not now. Okay guys, so we are done with creating our PayPal account. As you can see, there are no limitations. our PayPal account is active. Just some necessary things you're going to do after now. But for now, we are done with.
Ready to freelance? Like, comment, I'm in, and follow for more tips.